Hello, welcome to what is going to be my first video build. I came back to this hobby after a number of years. I used to do a lot of these as a kid, and well, basically with lockdown, and I've had a few accidents that have left me currently looking for a new job after a road traffic accident as a lorry driver. But here we go. This is the Tamiya 1/20th scale McLaren Honda MP4, as it says there. Probably one of the most dominant race cars ever built, designed by Gordon Murray and driven by Ayrton Senna and Alain Prost. This is the reissue model. Now, this is an unboxing. So here we go. Let's take the lid off the box. Yes, I have had a look at the instructions. As you can see, if I try and zoom in, there's all the paints you need. You also notice that there's a number of TS's on there, which stands for Tamiya Spray. But if you've got an airbrush, which is something I took the time and money to buy, you can get that. Look, similar to Tamiya TS26 pure brilliant white. See the other one there, TS36 fluorescent red. Well, I've got a few McLarens to build with the Marlboro colours on it. So there you are, gravity colours, or zero paints, McLaren MP4 Marlboro red, MP standing for McLaren Project 4, which was when Ron Dace owned them. And there's also, if you can get them in your area, Mr. Hobby colour C171. That is also Marlboro McLaren red. Now, this kit was given the okay by McLaren to build, but they couldn't get the rights to Marlboro colours off RJ Reynolds, who is the owner of Marlboro cigarettes. So there you are. Unfortunately, to get the colours down, I'm going to have to mask them off, and that's a challenge I'm up for. Right then, let's put that at the back there, try and make everything look professional. There's the tyres with the screw-in bolts to hold them in. Some lovely poly bags. Oh yeah. One body shell, wing end plates. That's for the side of the side pods, because on those. Rollover hoop, radiators, turbo intake, wing mirrors, rear wing assembly, rear cowling, some more input, rear wing end plates, and that goes over the gearbox, I believe. This here is sprue. If I can find it, which I can't because I'm put it the wrong way around. Sprue D. Suspension parts, air, brake intakes, the wheels, discs, rear suspension. Here's the decals. We've got the slots for the cigarette sponsorship replacements, as they would have had at German Grand Prix, British Grand Prix and other tracks where cigarette sponsorship was banned. Honda, obviously for the 1.5 litre V6 turbocharged engine that was in the back of this car. Shell fuels, Hugo Boss, Ayrton Senna, Alain Prost. doing this kit. Now I'm coming to this later. I want to get this done earlier because this year, 2024, unfortunately, is the 30th anniversary, unfortunately, of the passing of Ayrton Senna. That's sprue A, clear parts. On the right is the rain light, and obviously on the left is the bubble that covers the steering wheel and deflects air over the driver. And this is B, the monocoque, engine, chassis, seat, gear stick, pulleys, engine cam covers, that's the dashboard, manifolds, top of the engine, the inlet cover, engine parts, turbochargers, radiators. Right, that's the first part. Now, just gotta get the thing built, and that will start tomorrow. Because unfortunately for the rest of today, I'm quite busy. Anyway, I've got a boatload of models to make. I've got McLaren MP4 5, MP4 6, MP4 7, the MP4 8, which was Senna's last winning car. I've also got the Williams that he unfortunately passed away to do. I've got his Lotus Renault. I've got lots of kits to do. Williams Honda, P34 Tyrrell, road supercars, Ferrari 40, F50, LaFerrari, boatload. So I've got to get on with these, and well, when I'm doing them, I might as well do them on the internet as well. I hope you will find these videos enjoyable to watch, and obviously as time passes I'll get better with both my modelling and my video editing. Anyway, like and subscribe, and hopefully you'll come back for more. I hope you're having a good day. Look after yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Thank you, bye bye.